Good morning, children. I hope everyone are fine, right? And everyone are preparing for the FA1 exams, right? Okay, so what are the portion for the FA1 exam here? That is first chapter, knowing our numbers. After that, playing with the numbers, right? In playing with the numbers, only I told some part, that is up to 2.1, I think. Okay, we'll see next. So we'll discuss now, that is the first chapter first, that is knowing our numbers. Knowing our numbers, in that what we studied? We studied the, that is formation of a numbers using a digits, right? So formation of a numbers using a digits means if they given us some digits, we have to form a largest number as well as the smallest number. How to form a largest number and smallest number here? To find the largest number, we have to write that descending order of that given numbers, right? So if we are doing that smallest number, then we have to write the ascending order of that numbers, right? So all those things we have to do here, okay, to find this formation of a numbers using a digits. We did already, right? So in exercise number 1.1 also they given like that only. Even they given some fourth and fifth one, they given some conditions, they given a restriction, okay. So what the given restriction? That is a 4 must be in a tens place and 4 must be in a 100 place, like that they will given, okay. At that time what we have to do? At that time just we have to keep that value in that place, fixed value, okay. After that remaining numbers should be in a increasing order or decreasing order, that is ascending order or descending order according to the largest and smallest number, okay. So whatever the given no conditions, we have to use that conditions and restrictions here. We have to follow that restrictions also, okay. Then only we'll get a correct answer, otherwise we'll not get a correct answers, right? So if anyone asked you what you ate in the morning, then you can say what you ate in the, what you had in the morning, right? That only you are able to say. Whether you can lie? No, it's the wrong thing and it's not a good manner also, it's not good manner. So what they given, no, for that we have to answer. Don't answer your own answers here. Getting? Don't write your own answers. You have to write what they asked, no. For that you have to write the answers. And even don't write extra also. What? Why you will write? Whether they asked? No. What they asked, you have to answer for that only. Don't write extra and don't write small part. You have to write complete answer. You have to give the complete answer for that. Getting? And in after that we are having a reading and writing and identifying a large numbers. In that we studied that Indian system of enumeration and as well as the international system of enumeration. In Indian system of enumeration, what we studied? In Indian system of enumeration, that is a place value chart. What is that place value chart? In place value chart, what are the places values are there? That is ones, tens, after that hundreds, next thousands, 10,000s, next one is lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore according to the Indian system of numeration. And what are the place values according to the international system of numeration? According to the international system of numeration, what are the place values here? Ones, tens, after that hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. So these are the place values we studied in the international system of numeration. In exercise number 1.2, what they given here? They given here to write a expanded form. You know how to write the expanded form, as well as they given a write a numbers putting a commas, means according to the Indian system we'll put a commas first for 3 numbers, after that 2 numbers according to the Indian system of enumeration. But according to the international system of enumeration, we'll put a comma for all three numbers. If you put a comma all of enumeration. If you go through that is Indian system of enumeration, then we'll put a comma for first 3 numbers, after that 2 digit numbers. Getting? So after that we are having operation on a large numbers, including a conversion of a units. You know how to convert the units. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. All the conversions you must know that one. Okay. So after that we are having a some part, that is word problems is there. So using of a brackets, how to use the brackets here. All those things we studied and we solved exercise number 1.3 also. So go through that. Whatever the things they given in that, you have to must be thorough with everything. Okay. So next one is the Roman numerals. Roman numerals, you know how to write the Roman numbers up to 1000. I told everything. Okay. So please be prepared with that one, Roman numbers. Okay. So next one is Roman numbers addition, comparison, all those you must know. And after that, estimation of a numbers. If they told estimate the product, estimate the sum, then what we have to do? First we round off the given numbers. After that we are going to add or subtract or multiplication or division. Okay, if there is a estimate word is there, then first thing is you have to do the round off that numbers. After that you have to do whatever the given. According to the given, you have to do the operations. Operation is nothing but not that operation. In the hospital they will do not that operation. These are the mathematical operation. What are the mathematical operation? Subtraction, addition, multiplication, division. These are the mathematical operations. Getting everyone? Okay, fine. So after that we solve that is a exercise also. Okay. So first chapter is completed and after that next chapter, second chapter is a playing with the numbers. In playing with the numbers we are having a factors and multiples. Okay. So first be thorough that what is the difference between the factors and multiples. If we know the difference between that factors and multiples, then you can able to answer for any question. And you can find any factors and you can find any multiples of that number. Right? So if you don't know what is the difference between the factors and multiples, then every number will assume as a factors and multiples. We'll get confused in that. Okay. So first know what is the difference between the factors and multiples. After that, finding the factors and finding the multiples, all those things, you know that one. And after that, order of a simplification, that is using a brackets, how to put a brackets and how to solve the simplification. Brackets, first one is a common bracket, after that flower bracket, after that square bracket. Okay, I hope everyone know that, and we have to follow the BODMAS rule. Bracket, of, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. We have to follow the BODMAS rule always. Keep it in your mind. According to the BODMAS rule only, we can solve every problem. Otherwise, it's wrong. We have to follow the BODMAS rule only. Getting everyone? So after that is exercise number 2.2 also solved, right? That is the factors, finding the factors and finding the multiples. All those things you studied. So up to 2.2 we have to prepare. Getting? So portion is first chapter and second chapter up to 2.2. So please be thorough with every concepts whatever that in a textbook. Okay. So up to 2.2 everything is important for the exam. Prepare everything. Every problem you have to practice. Practice every problem, then it will be easy for you. Okay. So prepare well, study well and do well. Okay. So have a good marks in the exams. I hope everyone will get a good marks in exams. Okay. So what I can say? Only that much. So we'll meet in the school only. Okay. Till that, be safe in your home and study properly. Okay. Thank you everyone. All the best for exam.